In psychedelics, we're doing a range of studies looking at a number of indications such as OCD and depression, as well as PTSD, using psychedelics such as DMT and psilocybin and MDMA. My name is Bernadette Fitzgibbon. I'm the Director of Psychiatry Research at Paratus Clinical in Australia. I also hold an appointment as an Associate Professor at the Australian National University. One of my biggest career turning points was during my master's degree at the University of Auckland. At this time, I took up a role in a clinical trials unit at a major public hospital in Auckland, New Zealand. In this role, I found very quickly that what I really enjoyed doing during the day was spending my time working with people, including at their most vulnerable. At this time, I decided that the next step to be able to achieve that was to continue my studies. So I secured a scholarship to relocate to Monash University in Melbourne, Australia to complete my PhD. For those years, I worked again within a hospital setting and developed expertise within clinical research and clinical trials. Following completion of my PhD, I secured a National Health and Medical Research Fellowship specifically to look at developing new therapies for chronic pain. The research that I'm currently working in focuses on developing new treatments and therapies for people living with mental illness. This includes device-based therapies as well as novel psychopharmacology such as psychedelics. In psychedelics, we're doing a range of studies looking at a number of indications such as OCD and depression, as well as PTSD, using psychedelics such as DMT and psilocybin and MDMA. I collaborate with a range of universities and industry partnerships throughout Australia and abroad. I also work with commercial entities such as pharmaceutical companies and biotechnology companies for sponsored trials. The organisations that fund our research include the National Health and Medical Research Council, as well as other government initiatives such as the MRFF, alongside philanthropic groups. What drives me in the work that I do is the hope and the belief that this work contributes to better outcomes and a better life for others. Ultimately, I think a sense of purpose is really important, and it's one that is a driving force for me to know that what I'm doing during the day may go on to make things better for other people. Outside of the workplace, I'd love to tell you that I have a lot of fabulous interests like ultramarathon running and hiking and the like, but the reality is I like to spend my time with my family, friends, eating good food and listening to good music.